Welcome back, everyone. In our very first lesson, we explored the basics of HTML and its structure. Today in Lesson 2, we're moving one step forward. We're going to look at one of the most important parts of HTML, how we display text using headings, paragraphs, and formatting. Let's jump right in. Before we get started, here's a quick recap from last time. Remember, HTML defines the structure of a web page. Every page begins with doc type, then we have HTML, a head, and of course the body section. Inside the body is where we add the real content, things like text, images, and links. Today we'll focus on text because headings, paragraphs, and formatting are the true building blocks of any web page. Now let's talk about headings. HTML gives us 6 levels of headings, from H1 all the way down to H6. H1 is the biggest, usually for the main title. H2 is slightly smaller, often used for sections or subtitles. And as you go down to HE6, the size keeps getting smaller. But remember, headings aren't just about style, they're also super important for SEO. Search engines use them to understand what your page is about. For example, H1 main heading, H1H2 subheading H2. This gives you a clear title and subtitle on your page. Next up, paragraphs. To add normal text, we use the P tag. A paragraph automatically adds spacing, making your text easier to read. Here's an example. PWR. This is a paragraph of text in HTML. PRewind. If you've ever read a blog post or article online, almost all of that text is placed inside paragraph tags. All right, let's add some style. HTML gives us formatting tags to highlight important words or phrases. B or strong makes text bold. I or EM makes it italicized or emphasized. U underlines text. BR adds a line break without starting a new paragraph. Here's an example. This is bold, italic, and underlined. These simple tags can make your content more expressive and easy to read. Let's put it all together with a quick demo. First, open Notepad on your computer. Second, save this file as myfirstwebpage.html. Click File, Save As, type myfirstwebpage.html as the file name. Third, type with me. I'll type the HTML now. You can type along or copy-paste the code. Don't forget to save when you're done. Now save the file again. Press Ctrl+S. Now open your web page. Go to the folder where you saved myfirstwebpage.html and double-click it. You should see your page rendered in the browser. Great job, you just created and opened your first web page. Try editing the text, save, and refresh to practice. All right, so to wrap things up, headings help organize your content and improve readability. Paragraphs let you add blocks of text for better structure, and formatting tags make your content stand out by highlighting important parts. In our next lesson, we'll take it a step further by adding links and images to our HTML pages, making them interactive and visually interesting. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more lessons right here on SkillStack.